Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nashik. Now, last lecture we will discuss a revision of nearly free electron model. Now, in this lecture we will discuss Bloch theorem. Bloch theorem. Mathematical statement of regarding from a wave function. Electron is moving in the form wave structure. When such electron is moving in periodic potential in solid, this potential is minimum at positive ion side and maximum between two positive ions. The corresponding one-dimensional Schrödinger wave equation of electron d square psi upon dx square plus 2m upon h cross square bracket e minus v suffix x bracket complete psi is equal to 0. That will be the equation number first. Let the potential energy of electron satisfy the equation Vx is equal to Vx plus A, where this A is equal to lattice constant. Bloch theorem in the connection of solution of equation first, that is this equation first. In the form of mathematical statement of theorem can be stated as the solution of equation first in the form of the plane wave modulated by the wave function ukx, which has some periodicity, that of the lattice. The solution of equation first is of the form, that is psi x is equal to e raised to plus minus ikx vk into x, that is equation number 2. vkx is equal to v suffix k bracket x plus u. Equation 2 define the wave function, which also known as Bloch function, that is this equation 2 is known as Bloch function. Bloch function has property psi suffix x plus a is equal to e raised to plus minus ik bracket x plus a bracket complete into vk x plus a, this equation number 3. Psi suffix x plus a is equal to e raised to plus minus I k a into psi suffix x. Then psi is equal to psi into x plus a is equal to lambda psi x. Lambda is equal to e raised to plus minus I k a. Lambda is equal to Ig value. Equation 1 is linear second order differential equation. It has two independent solution gx and hx. Then psi x is equal to a into gx plus b into hx. This will be the equation number 4. The equation 4 is most general solution of equation first, where a and b are arbitrary condition. Therefore psi bracket x plus a is equal to psi x. The equation 4 can be written as, that is this equation 4, g bracket x plus a is equal to alpha 1 gx plus alpha 2 hx, h bracket x plus a is equal to beta 1 gx plus beta 2 hx, that is this equation number 5, where alpha and beta are constant and they are real function of energy of electron. The equation 5 can be written as psi x plus a is equal to ag x plus a plus beta h x plus a. Psi x plus a is equal to a alpha 1 gx plus a alpha hx plus beta b beta 1 gx plus b beta 2 hx, that is equal to a alpha 1 plus b beta 1 is equal to into gx plus a alpha 2 plus beta 2 b into hx. That is this equation, arrange this equation form, that is equation number 6. Psi x plus a is equal to lambda a gx plus lambda b hx, this equation number 7. Comparing equation 6 and 7, that is this equation 6 and this equation 7. Lambda a is equal to a alpha 1 plus b beta 1. Lambda b is equal to a into alpha 2 plus b into beta 2. Alpha 1 minus lambda into a plus b b1 beta 1 is equal to 0. Beta 2 minus lambda into b plus a alpha 2 is equal to 0. This will be the equation number 8. This equation is in homogeneous equation of such system of equation has a solution if determinant of coefficient a and b vanishes, that is this alpha 1 minus a beta 1 alpha 2 beta 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. Solve this determinant. Alpha 1 minus lambda into beta 2 minus lambda minus beta 1 into alpha 1, that is beta 1 alpha 1 alpha 2 is equal to 0. Solve this bracket. Alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 1 into lambda minus beta 2 lambda plus lambda square minus beta 1 alpha 2 is equal to 0. Lambda square minus lambda into alpha 1 plus beta 2 bracket complete plus alpha 1 beta 1 minus beta 1 alpha 2 is equal to 0. Lambda square, that is this will be the 1, that is lambda square minus lambda into alpha 1 plus beta 2 bracket complete plus 1 is equal to 0. That is equation number 9. There is quadratic equation of lambda, two real values of lambda. There are two wave function lambda 1 x and lambda 2 x corresponding this real value of lambda. Let us consider two different cases and two different value of lambda. That is case 1, value of x in energy correspond to wave function alpha 1 plus beta 2 bracket square is greater than 4. Two roots of equation 9, that is this equation 9, that is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 are complex in nature, that means they are complex conjugate to each other. Then lambda 1 is equal to e raised to plus minus ikx, lambda 2 is equal to e raised to minus ikx, that is equation number 10. Wave function can be written as lambda 1 x plus a is equal to e raised to ikx lambda 1 x, lambda 2 x plus a is equal to e raised to minus ikx lambda 2 x. This will be the equation number 11. From equation 11, most general Bloch function can be written as psi 2 x is equal to e raised to plus minus ikx uk into x. This will be the equation number 12. Equation 11, also known as Bloch function of lambda 1 and lambda 2 ukx in the equation 12. The periodic function with alpha period a is lattice constant, that is this a is lattice constant. The solution of set of Schrödinger equation of this region can be expressed in the form of Bloch function. This will be the case first. Now case second, alpha 1 plus beta 2 bracket complete bracket square is less than 4. There are two roots lambda 1 and lambda 2, they are real. The solution of Schrödinger equation in the equation psi 1 x is equal to e raised to mu x into mu x. Psi 2x is equal to e raised to minus mu x mu into x. That is equation number 13, where this mu is real quantity. It's mean that the solution are not the wave function describing the electrons because they are not bounded function. It's mean energy of electron goes the increasing continuously, but it gives the solid maximum limit energy of electron in periodic potential consist allow energy region, and for hidden energy region, this region is known as energy band. In 3D Bloch theorem can be written as psi k r is equal to e raised to I k r into u suffix k bracket r. This will be the equation number 14, where r is the position vector and k is the wave vector, that is this r and this k. These wave vector have following properties. First will be the under the crystal translation r to r plus t, psi k bracket r plus t is equal to e raised to I k r plus t u k r plus t. Psi k is equal psi k into r plus t is equal to e raised to minus I k into r plus t bracket complete into u k u suffix k into r plus t. Psi k bracket r plus 1 is equal to e raised to I k t u k into r. Second will be the lattice potential vanishes, then u k r is equal to e raised to I k r comma u k r is constant. Third will be the wave vector k satisfied conservation law of collision process of electron in the crystal. The energy vanishes with continuously with k bar. Each level of energy band, the number of band is infinity. Now this will be the diagram. First band, second band and third band. This will be the energy gap, Ek versus K. Now in this lecture we will discuss Bloch theorem with proof. Thank you so much.